Hey there everyone, I hope you're all fine. So in this video we are going to learn how to get ultimate items in Eatventure. So without further ado, let's find out. So as you can see on the left corner there is a box here. So when you click on the box and when you keep playing, you will find like rare, legendary and ultimate items in that box. So you have to keep upgrading your levels and you can also go to shop, and when you go to this week box, if you have enough gems you can just go ahead and buy it, and hopefully you will find an ultimate item in it. I have found many legendary and rare items in it, and I will show you. Okay, so click on this and as you can see I have many rare legendary items in it, but I have not got an ultimate item right now. But hopefully if I keep playing, and you have to keep upgrading your levels, and that way you will be able to have the ultimate items. So you have to just keep upgrading it to the top level until it's maxed out, and that way you will get the box on the top left corner, and hopefully you will get an ultimate item in it. So there is no direct way, you have to just rely on your luck. So that's it for today guys, hope you found the video helpful. See you soon, have a good day.